UBER stock analysis. This is for next week and onward. Tuesday, is it a buy or not? I'm covering all that in this very short 1-minute video. First things first, with Uber Technology, 4% down. All I'm gonna say is that I'm looking to further take things up. Now, it was such a beautiful setup here, and let me show you the proof on that. Right, such a beautiful setup, and then unfortunately came down, hit break even, and it is going to be recorded as a break even. And as because that has already kind of happened, the only thing that I'm looking to further take it up is if there is a shift here, right? Without that double break, then I'm not gonna look to take it up. I know people like to overcomplicate stuff, but not me. You know, if there's no confirmation, why the heck would I force? You know, there's abundance of tickers. Now, I know maybe if you're invested in, again, I'm very open-minded to this and looking to still further take things up. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.